In this video, I show you my new tattoo machine. I have tried countless machines and took my time with this video because I wanted to find the perfect machine for me and for you. It was almost always the case that the machines I liked were far too expensive for beginners. Now I have finally found a machine that most can afford and that still meets all my requirements. It's the Mast Pro wireless rotary tattoo gun by Dragonhawk. Included in the box is the machine with a battery, a spare battery, and an RCA connecting part that allows you to work with a cable. The cable is also included. However, since I will only be working with the battery, I don't need it. There are also sealing rings and 2 USB-C charging cables. I have already tried this machine for a few days in the tattoo studio and was very pleasantly surprised by the weight. Usually machines with an adjustable stroke are much heavier. With the battery, the machine weighs only 200 grams, which is very light for a machine with an adjustable stroke. If you want to work with a cable, you can plug in the clip cord cable here. The battery change is also super easy. It's just plugged in. You can easily charge the battery with a USB-C cable. I like that the machine looks very simple and plain. For example, there are only 3 buttons for operation. With them, you can adjust everything. What I personally like best about this machine is the adjustable stroke. You can select different strokes between 2.4 and 4.2 millimeters. This is perfect for an all-round tattoo artist like me who can tattoo in many different styles. Many tattoo artists work with different machines, each with a different stroke. That's not necessary with this machine. The cartridge can be fixed with a simple twisting motion. When you hold down the power button, the machine starts in standby mode. If you press the button again briefly, you can turn on the machine. In the upper left, you can see a clock that allows you to measure how long you have been working, which is a cool tool to check how much effective work time you really have. In the upper right, there is also a self-explanatory battery indicator. With the plus and minus buttons, you can adjust the voltage. The minimum voltage is 4 volts, and the maximum is 12 volts. With a simple twisting motion on the grip piece, you can adjust how far the needle should stick out of the cartridge. I usually use a high stroke for the lines, in this case a 4.2 millimeter stroke. Now a quick tattoo test. I have to say the machine runs very smoothly and the 4.2 millimeter stroke has a lot of power. For packing, I use a 3.9 millimeter stroke in this case. I currently have a very hard synthetic skin, which absorbs color very poorly, and still it looks like a solid surface. For shading, I use a 3.3 millimeter stroke. The lower the stroke, the less aggressive the needle is to the skin. I will do the next tutorials all with this machine, and I will also always show you the exact settings of the machine for each step so that you can replicate it. The links to my new needles and to this tattoo machine can be found in the video description, and if you buy the machine through my link, you can support me and get a 10% discount with the code FANITATTOO.